Erika, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic. What's happening today?
Going skydiving for the first time.
What? Did somebody talk you into this?
Yes.
That guy right over there?
Yes.
We're blaming him?
Yes, we are.
But you want to do it too though, right?
Yeah.
It's on the bucket list?
It's on my bucket list.
Perfect. You picked a good day. It's nice and beautiful outside.
Yes.
Anything you want to say to friends and family watching this video?
Love you guys.
We're going to see them again, right?
I hope so.
Well, we're going to be going up to 13,500 feet, jumping out of that airplane outside and coming back down at over 120 miles an hour.
Wow.
You ready to go have some fun?
I am.
Let's go
Thank
do it.
you.
I'll see you out there.
All right.
Welcome back, Carlos. Welcome back, Erika. How was that, girl?
It was awesome.
You did good?
I
You loved
loved it. Yeah.
it? You are free to stand up now. So tell me, what went through your mind when you first jumped out of that plane?
It was so exhilarating.
Right?
I loved it. I was terrified as we were sitting there waiting.
Uh-huh.
But then as soon as I jumped out, it was awesome.
It's beautiful.
I loved it.
You think you'll ever do it again?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah.
Thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. We hope to see you again.